lesson. And today's date is the 28th-7-2020. And today we are going to be revising our mixed times tables. As you can see, those are all the ones that you've done for today. Whiteboard and the marker is needed and your white homework book. So we've done the 2, the 3, the 5 and the 10 times table. So on your whiteboards, can you cut it into 2, 3, and 10? So make your whiteboard into 4 sections. And then I want you to count in 2s, writing them down in 2s up to 24 for me. So let's see what the pattern is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. We don't have to go to 26. Okay, so let's rub out the 26. Now what I want you to see is the 3 times tables. 3, 6, oops, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. Alright, so do you see the 3 times table goes diagonally like that, and it shares some of the 2's. Now we are going to go for 5's. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Easy peasy. And obviously the 10s is going to cover all of the 10s patterns for us. Straight down to 120. So those are counting. So I hope on the whiteboard you've counted in all of your numbers, 2s, 3s, 5s, and 10s for me. Super. Okay. Right. So now that we've done all our counting, let's remember we can use our fingers, starting with the 10s. So remember, 1 group of 10 is 10, 2 groups of 10 is 20, 3 groups of 10 is 30, 4 groups of 10 is 40, 5 groups of 10 is 50, 6 groups of 10 is 60, 7 groups of 10 is 70, 8 groups of 10 is 80, 9 groups of 10 is 90, and 10 groups of 10 is 100. Now, obviously we don't have 11 and 12 fingers, but then it will be 110 and 120. So let's hold up our fingers and do the 5s. 1 group of 5 is 5, 2 groups of 5 is 10, 3 groups of 5 is 15, 4 groups of 5 is 20, 5 groups of 5 is 25, 6 groups of 5 is 30, 7 groups of 5 is 35, 8 groups of 5 is 40, 9 groups of 5 is 45, 10 groups of 5 is 50, 11 groups of 5 is 55, and 12 groups of 5 is 60. Super! Now, on your fingers, let's hold up and do 3s. 1 group of 3 is 3, 2 groups of 3 is 6, 3 groups of 3 is 9, 4 groups of 3 is 12, 5 groups of 3 is 15, 6 groups of 3 is 18, 7 groups of 3 is 21, 8 groups of 3 is 24, 9 groups of 3 is 27, 10 groups of 3 is 30, 11 groups of 3 is 33, and 12 groups of 3 is 36. Last one, hold up your fingers to do the 2 times. So 1 group of 2 is 2, 2 groups of 2 is 4, 3 groups of 2 is 6, 4 groups of 2 is 8, 5 groups of 2 is 10, 6 groups of 2 is 12, 7 groups of 2 is 14, 8 groups of 2 is 16, 9 groups of 2 is 18, 10 groups of 2 is 20, 11 groups of 2 is 22, and 12 groups of 2 is 24. Excellent. So let's see what video we have to play. I think we have a game to play here. So you can do this with me. Let's see what this game is all about. Fives, tens, and threes. Okay, so we're going to try and catch a fish, and then you are going to tell me the right. 3 times 10 is 30. 8 times 10 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. Hope you're starting out the question. 5 times 9 is, look at your fingers, 45. Let's wait for a fish. Ah, we got them. 6 times 10 is 60. 3 times 11 is 33. 7 times 10 is 70. 5 times 2 is, well done, good. 2. Let's go one more time. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3, well done. Okay, that was nice and fun, and you can play those types of games when you're finished on your iPad or computer. So let's have a look for our work today. Complete page 75 in your blue maths book and write the date at the top, which is 28. So there is some mixed times tables, and then you're going to be counting to work out the number patterns. Right, have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.